Let's take a look at modifying basic workbook properties. Now I have a few of them open here. If I look at File and Info, this is where you'll find the properties at. To change one, you simply click it. For example, this Add an Author. Let me click this. And if I search for it, it'll come back and find the user. I don't have that particular user on here. Okay, so I just clicked outside that, that's author. Now you can show all properties by clicking here. There's also tags up here. And let's say this is about sales. You can give it a title if you want. And let me go ahead and go back. Save this. And let me go to another spreadsheet here. I'll do a file and do an info. I won't bother with author. And there's tags up here. Let's say costs. And save this. And let me go to another one. And go to my info. And for the title, let's say this is calculus. I guess I already been to this one. Well, let me find one I haven't been to. Not that matters. I've actually done enough. Okay, so that's that one. Guess I should have named them all different. I've been to that one. Let's look at 2. Okay, I haven't been to. Oh no, I have been to that one. So I haven't been to 3. I'll get there eventually. Should pay more attention as I'm doing this. Okay. Algebra, trig, and fractions. I don't know. Something like that. Okay, so save that. Hopefully I've saved them all. This doesn't work unless you have saved them. If I go to File Explorer, and over here, if I search for calculus, now it doesn't find anything. But if I come over here, and I'm going to search for, and I don't really remember where I put them at, but if I go to title, and I start typing calculus. See how it finds this this one? So if you got titles in there, then you can do searches based upon titles. Now, if your titles match your name of your Word document, why bother? Now tags. You can probably guess what I'm gonna put first. Tags, colon, and fraction, and it finds that one. So maybe you want to use tags to really present a way for people to search and be able to find it easily, and that's what those properties are. One of the uses is used for. Another one is just simply documentation. So then when somebody comes here and they go to File, Info, maybe there's some information that need to be saved here. Now, I haven't looked up author, so let me do that just to show that. I spelled SpongeBob wrong, but sponge, there we go. and see how to find SpongeBob. And you see authors, so you can have more than one. Now, I have no clue. I never really did much with these, but I have worked at a company where we had lots of different documents, and that the name of the document didn't really help you to identify what was inside of it. So this would. And that's how you will change different properties for your workbook.